that I'm working on, my business, my production, my book, my acting, whatever. But when I switch off, I'm with my family, I'm at home, I watch movies, I do whatever I want to do. So then when I come back to work the next day, I have the focus to be able to do even more things. So when you're talking about retiring at like 35, 40, sure, if you want to have a shack in Goa, it used to be my dream when I worked like that too. But I want to have a shack in Goa, not wear shoes, chappal pehen ke, have fish fry all day, and that's what I wanted to do. But as I realized that there's something, I love my job and I love being able to create in very different ways. I have the privilege to be in a position that not many have been in, and I've created that by myself. I don't want to give it up, and I don't want anyone to take it away from me. It's my legacy for my children and for the future generation that may not have even seen the potential of something like that for themselves. Why would I give it up?
Again, I feel you're helping a younger version of yourself.
Sure.
Somewhere in some other
I
universe.
like deep sea diving. Let's go.
Okay. What you want to know about one of my favorite new hobbies?
Yeah.
It's watching really old episodes of Coffee with Karan and then seeing how everyone's trajectories were in life.
Yeah.
And my favorite episode, one of my favorites, was the one you did, I think, with Arjun Rampal in season 1.
Oh my gosh. Even I don't even know what I was. What was I like then?
You very different.
How old must I? When was that season?
2004?
Holy, wow.
Would you like to know?
Yeah.
As a podcaster.
Yeah, I want to know. I can't even. 2004, that means that's 1 year into me being an actor.
I feel you're even different from like 3 years ago because lots has happened in those 3 years. You're even more chill now.
Yeah.
Like I can feel that. You were very like hyper kind of alpha when I last saw you in 2019, and in that episode, you're deeply professional and what's the word, conscientious. You were like that. Like you were very professional. I think Karan Johar said, "Hey, well done," and all. And your response was, "Yeah, I'm just trying to do my best job, guys." It was kind of like that. And I was like,
I was so nervous. I didn't know anything about the industry. I mean, the closest I had come to being in the business was taking a vacation to Bombay when I was 11 years old with my brother, and it was like, wow, Bombay. You know that park where they have the shoe and the
Hanging Gardens.
Yeah, Hanging Gardens. I had photographs in the Hanging Gardens even now, and that was like going to the beach, was seeing the Queen's necklace. All of that was all I knew about Mumbai. The industry was terrifying to me, and I think that's probably why I reacted.